Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off reading mode in our Oppo phone device. Guys, you want to off guys your phone reading mode setting. So then how can you off it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we turn off guys phone reading mode. In this video we will talk about it. So first of all guys we will turn on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting we will scroll it and we will click on guys phone display and brightness setting guys. Tap on display and brightness, then guys scroll it friends, click on guys your eye comfort setting guys, means reading mode. So guys you can off from here guys your reading mode setting. So guys after of guys you can see guys after 3 and 5 second guys skin color will normal and guys reading mode is off. So like that guys you can turn off guys your reading mode, and friends you want to use, so you will have to turn on again. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to turn off reading mode in our Oppo phone device. So bye bye friends, we will meet on next video with new topic. Bye friends.